So let's get into it. Why should executives care about cybersecurity, right? So it's not just end users, but it's people who are running an organization. And I think it's important for everybody to realize what the true cost of cybersecurity is. And it's not that it's expensive to recover your backups, and that it's a lot of lost time, although that's an important part of the true cost of cybersecurity. But if a company is truly breached, some of the things that companies have to realize is in their cards moving forward is there are laws out there that require most organizations to notify both their employees and their partners and clients about the breach, which can be potentially difficult to do and take a considerable amount of time. You're going to lose a lot of goodwill with your clients, and you're going to have to spend a significant amount of account management dealing with that breach. So all of the wonderful things that you've done for those organizations and your clients and your partners over the many, many years will be completely burned to the ground, and your account managers won't be out there generating new revenue. They'll be out there just trying to make sure that people don't fire you. You also run the potential of losing revenue or intellectual property, which could cost tens or hundreds of thousands of dollars, depending on how long you've been down. You'd have to pay for forensics in order for people to determine how the breach occurred. If you do have a cyber policy, most cyber policies will require you to start with forensics in order for the policy to pay out. And then hopefully you have insurance and that you're able to get that money. Sometimes you'll have to come out of pocket first and be reimbursed, and there can be a significant amount of cost with that. So these are a bunch of things that a lot of people don't think about. Sometimes it's just, well, if we get a virus or if we get ransomware, we'll restore from backups, or we'll be down for a little while and it'll be fine. But really, organizations need to realize that it's a lot more nuanced than that, and that moving into the 21st century, that breaches cost people a lot more than just the dollars and cents that they would consider for having a machine down or having their data encrypted.